Alright, so I just took all my hair out. I had some cornrows because I've been wearing wigs. And I'm about to wash it. I'm about to wash it and I'm gonna do my high bun. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my high bun. And yeah. Okay, so I just washed my hair. It's freshly washed. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do my bun. I just wanna do like a length check. Okay. Alright, so you're gonna need a scarf. You're gonna need hair gel. Excuse me, you're gonna need a brush. And some rubber bands or like a hair tie. Alright. So what you're gonna do, this is my hair tie. I can't find like my little one, so I'm just gonna use this. Alright, so you're gonna take your brush and just start brushing your hair. Jeez. Just brush it all back. You're gonna brush it up too. And then start to brush it up. Brush the back up. All right. Now we got it brushed up. Now, what you're gonna do, now that it's all brushed up, ready for the bun, you're gonna take your gel. And don't judge me, I use a lot of gel. But I've been trying to go easy. Like, that's a lot. I've been trying to go easy because they said that this stuff is making people's hair fall out. But I've been using this gel for a very long time. And not to say that anybody is lying, but it has been my friend for some years now. Okay, so you put gel. Then you brush it again with the gel, like so. All right, now you're gonna take your bow. I'm gonna double mine because, yeah, I need it to be. All right, and then you're gonna put it up in a bun. Oh, no. Okay. And then you're gonna put your hair in a bun. And this is the first step. All right, bam. Whew. And then this is just the first part, that's all I'll say, the first half. Then you take your scarf and you wrap it. And what you can do, if you want it to lay, like if you want your hair to lay really flat for like a good few days, then you need to leave this on overnight. You need to leave it on overnight. But if you're just trying to, like, you're like in a rush and you need a quick style, you can also just do like 20 minutes. So it's up to you. But I am doing my hair for work tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave this scarf on overnight and I'll be back in the morning to show y'all the rest. All right, so I know I said I was gonna come back in the morning, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to do this tomorrow before work, so I'm gonna do it now. So it's been basically it's been like 3 hours since I did this, so I'm gonna take it down. Oh, Okay, well, okay. So you see, so you're gonna need some rubber bands and bobby pins and I use Marley hair. And what I do is just take some strands of the hair. This is like 6 strands of hair, and I put a rubber band around the middle. Okay, so what I do is I just take the rubber band like this, you see, and wrap it around my bun so that it's secure. So now what I do is well, there's 2 ways to do it. Yeah, there's 2 ways to do it, but I twist it like this. And then I wrap it around my bun. And voila! You got a fresh, ready to go high bun. But no, you can put some bobby pins just to secure it. I'm actually about to take this off because I'm about to go to sleep. But yeah, this is the bun. And thanks for watching my channel.